Have you ever wondered if we are alone in the universe? This question, as old as our species itself, has captivated minds and sparked countless debates throughout human history. As we gaze upon the night sky, we can't help but ponder the existence of life beyond our tiny blue planet. The universe, after all, is a vast expanse of space and time, brimming with billions of galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars. And around those stars, potentially planets that could harbor the right conditions for life as we know it. But are we alone, or is there someone or something out there looking back at us? This question isn't just a philosophical musing but a scientific inquiry that has driven researchers and space explorers for decades. So let's dive into the history of our quest to answer this cosmic question. Our curiosity about life beyond Earth dates back to ancient times. From the star-studded heavens that swaddled our ancestors in their nighttime embrace to the sun that warmed their days, the cosmos has always been a source of wonder and speculation. In the ancient world, civilizations looked up at the sky and saw a pantheon of gods and goddesses, each with their own celestial domain. The Egyptians, for instance, believed that their deities resided in the stars, and that the Milky Way was a celestial Nile, an afterlife river for souls to traverse. The Greeks, on the other hand, had a different take. Philosophers like Epicurus proposed that our world was just one of many, scattered throughout an infinite universe. He reasoned that if life could arise here on Earth, then surely it could do so elsewhere. This idea, known as cosmic pluralism, was a radical departure from the divine-centric worldview of the time. In China, the concept of Tian, or heaven, was central to their understanding of the cosmos. They believed in a celestial bureaucracy, where heavenly officials mirrored their earthly counterparts. This belief implied a kind of extraterrestrial life, albeit of a divine nature. The ancient Indians too had their own cosmological beliefs. In the Hindu scriptures, there are references to other worlds known as lokas, inhabited by beings both mortal and divine. These early ideas about life beyond Earth were born of observation, philosophy, and belief. They were not based on empirical evidence but on the human capacity for imagination and wonder. However, these speculations laid the groundwork for the scientific inquiries that were to come. As we moved into the Age of Enlightenment, the question of extraterrestrial life became a topic of scholarly debate. The advent of the telescope in the 17th century brought the stars and planets into sharper focus, and the cosmos became a place to explore, not just to marvel at. However, it wasn't until the advent of modern science and technology that we began to actively search for extraterrestrial life. In the mid-20th century, we took our first steps towards exploring the universe. A time of intense curiosity and remarkable innovation, the dawn of space exploration marked a new chapter in human history. In the late 1950s, the space race between the United States and the then Soviet Union sparked a flurry of technological advancements. With tensions high and the eyes of the world watching, the Soviets made the first move. They launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, in 1957. This tiny, beeping sphere became a beacon of what was possible, orbiting Earth and igniting imaginations worldwide. Not long after, in 1960, the United States responded with Echo, a much larger communications satellite made of shiny mylar. Echo's mission was to bounce radio signals off its surface, thus facilitating transcontinental and intercontinental telephone, radio, and television communications. But space exploration wasn't only about competition, it was also about discovery and understanding the vast expanses beyond our planet. So, we started sending probes. In 1962, the United States launched Mariner 2, the first successful interplanetary spacecraft. It reached Venus and sent back valuable data about its atmosphere and surface temperature. The Soviet Union, not to be outdone, achieved a significant first in 1966 with Luna 9. This spacecraft made the first successful soft landing on the moon, beaming back images of the lunar surface to eager scientists back home. Each of these missions, these steps into the unknown, expanded our understanding of the universe. They showed us that space was not a void but a cosmos teeming with planets, stars, and perhaps life. They made us realize how little we knew and how much there was to explore. These early missions sparked a new wave of interest in the search for extraterrestrial life. They made us wonder, if we could send a probe to Venus, a satellite to orbit Earth, could we also find life out there, somewhere in the vast expanse of the cosmos? Only time and continued exploration would tell. The 1970s marked a significant turning point in our quest. Suddenly, our search for extraterrestrial life was no longer confined to our imaginations and science fiction novels. We were now actively venturing into the unknown, equipped with the best of our technology and the brightest of our minds. Perhaps the most iconic of these ventures were the Voyager missions. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were our emissaries, our spaceborne ambassadors, carrying a message from Earth to the cosmos. And what a message it was. The Golden Records, as they're now known, were a testament to our existence, our culture, and our shared human experience. Encased in a protective shell, these records contain sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. They were our way of saying, we're here, we exist, and we're ready to connect. But as we sent out our message, we were also listening. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, was established in 1984 with the singular goal of detecting signals from intelligent life. Using radio telescopes, SETI has spent decades scanning the skies, listening for any signs of extraterrestrial broadcasts. While no confirmed detections have been made yet, the effort itself is a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our willingness to question our place in the cosmos. And let's not forget about the possibilities that lie within our solar system. The Voyager missions gave us glimpses of the outer planets and their moons, sparking interest in the potential for life in places like Europa, one of Jupiter's largest moons. With an ocean beneath its icy surface, Europa could harbor life as we know it, or perhaps, life as we don't know it. These efforts represented humanity's growing determination to find answers. They marked the first serious steps in our search for life beyond Earth. And while we're still searching, we're doing so with more resolve and more resources than ever before. The search has indeed gotten serious. The discovery of exoplanets opened a new chapter in our search. The 1990s marked an exciting turning point in our pursuit of life beyond our own solar system. This was the decade when scientists confirmed the existence of planets orbiting stars outside our solar system, known as exoplanets. A pair of Swiss astronomers, Michel Mayor and Didier Queloz, were the first to make such a discovery, spotting a gas giant they named 51 Pegasi b. The discovery of 51 Pegasi b was a game-changer. It was a clear sign that our solar system wasn't unique, and it opened the door to a universe filled with countless worlds. But even more thrilling was the suggestion that some of these exoplanets might be similar to our own Earth, with conditions suitable for life as we know it. This prospect brought us to the Kepler mission, launched in 2009. Named after the 17th century astronomer Johannes Kepler, the mission aimed to find Earth-like planets in the habitable zones of their stars, where conditions might be just right for liquid water, a key ingredient for life. Kepler was incredibly successful, identifying over 2,000 confirmed exoplanets during its 9-year operation. Among these finds were several Earth-sized planets in the habitable zones of their stars, making them potential candidates for life. However, the Kepler mission did more than just find exoplanets. It also revolutionized our understanding of our place in the universe. We learned that planets are incredibly common, and that there's a wide variety of them out there, from gas giants larger than Jupiter to rocky worlds smaller than Earth. The data from Kepler suggested that there could be more planets than stars in our galaxy, a mind-boggling thought that underscores the vast potential for life beyond our solar system. The discovery of these distant worlds has only fueled our curiosity. As we continue to explore the cosmos, each new exoplanet brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? In recent years, we've made some exciting discoveries. Let's dive into the latest revelations that are reshaping our understanding of life beyond Earth. One of the most thrilling findings came in 2020, when astronomers detected potential signs of life on Venus. Yes, Venus. The second planet from the Sun, often described as Earth's twin, presented us with the tantalizing possibility of life. Phosphine, a gas associated with biological activity on Earth, was discovered in the planet's clouds. Now, this doesn't mean we've found alien life, but it does raise the fascinating possibility that life could survive in the harsh Venusian atmosphere. Meanwhile, our red neighbor, Mars, has not been idle in offering revelations. In recent years, we've confirmed the existence of liquid water beneath the planet's southern polar ice cap. This discovery of water, a key ingredient for life as we know it, has fueled the prospect of microbial life existing or having once existed on Mars. But the search for extraterrestrial life isn't confined to our solar system. With the advent of more sophisticated telescopes and detection methods, we've uncovered an ever-increasing number of exoplanets. planets orbiting stars beyond our sun. Some of these distant worlds reside in what we call the habitable zone, an area around a star where conditions might be just right for liquid water, and potentially life, to exist. One such exoplanet, Proxima Centauri b, orbits the closest star to our solar system. This rocky world, only slightly larger than Earth, is located in its star's habitable zone, sparking hope and curiosity about the possibilities it holds. These discoveries are not just scientific breakthroughs, they're shifting paradigms, challenging our understanding of where life can exist. Each discovery, each piece of evidence brings us closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? These findings have brought us closer than ever to answering our cosmic question. Moving forward, every new revelation will be another step towards unraveling this mystery. As we look to the future, our search for extraterrestrial life continues. Imagine peering into the vast expanse of space armed with new technologies, upcoming missions, and a renewed sense of curiosity. That's what the future of our search looks like. The upcoming decade will witness a flurry of missions. NASA's Artemis program, aimed at returning humans to the moon, is set to uncover secrets hidden in lunar craters. The James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of modern engineering, will peer into the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, hunting for signs of life. Meanwhile, the European Space Agency's ExoMars rover will comb the Martian surface, searching for biosignatures of past life. But it's not just about where we're going, it's also about how we're looking. Advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning are poised to revolutionize our search. These technologies are learning to sift through the vast amounts of data we collect, picking out patterns and signs of life that might otherwise go unnoticed. They are, in essence, our digital eyes and ears, ever vigilant in the cosmic hunt for life. And it's not just about finding life as we know it. We're expanding our understanding, looking for life as we don't know it. What if life exists in the cloud tops of Venus, or in the methane lakes of Titan? What if it's not carbon-based, but something entirely different? The possibilities are as endless as the universe itself. The future of our search also lies in our ability to listen. SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, is tuning into the cosmic radio, hoping to catch a whisper, a signal, a sign that we're not alone. As we peer into the cosmos with our telescopes, send our probes to distant worlds, and let our algorithms loose on mountains of data, we hold on to the hope that our search will not be in vain. We're not just looking for life, we're looking for companionship in the universe, a sign that we're part of a larger cosmic family. With every new discovery, we inch closer to answering the question, are we alone? Our quest to discover life beyond Earth is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a testament to our human curiosity, our longing to reach beyond the familiar, to uncover the unknown. It's a journey that has been marked by a series of groundbreaking discoveries, each one pushing the boundaries of our understanding a little further. We began with the cosmic question, a simple yet profound inquiry. Are we alone in the universe? This curiosity led us to the early search, scanning the skies with telescopes, hoping to catch a glimpse of something, anything, that might hint at the existence of life beyond our pale blue dot. The dawn of space exploration propelled us into a new era, taking us beyond the confines of our own planet. We sent spacecraft to the furthest reaches of our solar system, and even beyond, each mission bringing us closer to answering that age-old question. As our technology advanced, so did our search. We entered the era of exoplanets, discovering thousands of these alien worlds orbiting distant stars. Some of these exoplanets sit in the Goldilocks zone, the region around a star where conditions might just be just right for life as we know it. The latest discoveries have brought us tantalizingly close to finding signs of life. We've detected potential biosignatures in the atmosphere of Venus, and found evidence of liquid water on Mars. Each discovery is a piece of the puzzle, a step closer to answering the cosmic question. As we look to the future of the search, we can only imagine what discoveries await. With new missions planned and technology advancing at an unprecedented rate, the possibility of finding life beyond Earth seems more real than ever. As we continue our cosmic journey, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of all who have ever looked up at the stars and wondered. We explore not just for ourselves but for all of humanity, in the pursuit of knowledge and the quest to understand our place in the cosmos.